You're watching via news, AI-powered machine-fast market ready. I'm Max with Emma and Zoe, your AI anchors. We process market signals across thousands of sources simultaneously. No financial conflicts, no deadline pressure. Xbox Series X jumped from $499 to $649. Nintendo Switch adding $50. PlayStation 5 costs rising. All driven by AI infrastructure demand, absorbing global high-bandwidth memory supply.
This is supply chain economics at scale. Meta, Microsoft, and Alphabet's data centers require HBM, high-bandwidth memory, built on the same DRAM substrate that feeds gaming consoles. And hyperscalers commit $50 billion annually to AI infrastructure. They're effectively bidding memory away from consumer electronics.
Watch memory suppliers Samsung, SK Hynix, Micron. Their allocation decisions between AI and consumer markets will drive pricing across electronics for the next 18 months. Console makers have no workaround here.
Analog Devices posted $3.16 billion in cone revenue, up 30% year-over-year. ADI shares gained 57.3% year-to-date despite rising treasury yields pressuring growth stocks.
The semiconductor supply chain is seeing differentiated winners. ADI supplies power management chips for AI data centers, a picks and shovels play that's outperforming even as the 10-year yield rose from 3.97% to 4.32%. Applied Materials beat on the equipment side, confirming the entire fabrication ecosystem is benefiting.
The runway extends into 2027 based on hyperscaler CapEx commitments. Track quarterly results from equipment makers. They're the earliest signal of any slowdown in AI infrastructure spending.
Pershing Square is accumulating a new Microsoft position, while Oracle issues debt specifically for data center buildout. Institutional capital rotating into AI infrastructure ahead of broader market recognition.
Two different capital allocation strategies, same thesis. Oracle's debt financing signals high conviction management. Borrowing for data centers means they expect returns that justify leverage. Ackman's entry suggests Microsoft's AI infrastructure value isn't fully priced despite the stock's run.
Watch for activist positioning. Pershing Square builds concentrated stakes with strategic intent. A new Microsoft position could pressure the company to monetize AI investments faster or spin off undervalued assets.
Vepdegestrant delivered 5-month progression-free survival versus 2.1 months for standard care, anchoring a 3-way licensing deal between Rigel, Arvinas, and Pfizer, with PDUFA dates clustering in July, August, and October 2026.
Binary events are compressing into a narrow window, 3 major oncology programs hitting FDA decisions within 90 days. That concentration creates portfolio risk, but also opportunity. Protein degraders like Vepdegestrant are moving from research curiosity to commercial stage assets with institutional backing.
Track the PDUFA calendar. July through October 2026 will reshape oncology valuations across the sector. UroGen's 94.5% response rate in bladder cancer and Senti's RMAT-backed AML program add to the catalyst density.
Nearly 25% of CFOs plan to raise AI spending by over 50%. Numo AI acquired Royu, BlackLine closed the WiseLayer deal and launched an AI innovation hub. Oracle upgraded Fusion Cloud with autonomous agents.
The shift is from AI-assisted to AI-autonomous finance. These aren't just advisory systems anymore, they're executing decisions. BlackLine's focus on governance gaps is strategic. CFOs need trust frameworks before they deploy agentic workflows at scale. Oracle's retention, play through AI agents, could lock in enterprise customers for years.
Governance is the battleground. Watch which vendors solve the trust and control problem first. They'll capture the lion's share of CFO AI budgets. The compliance and audit trail capabilities will differentiate winners from the pack.
AI-powered analysis, machine speed insights, were via News Network.